Hello students, this is Mrs. Jones. We are continuing our lesson, our topic about mixing color and mixing different chemicals in cosmetology. These examples that I'm going to show you today are done a little bit different than the ones that we did last week. Last week we knew how much color we were going to put in, and we wanted to know how much developer we should put with it. These examples are, we know how much final product, how much solution we need at the end. So we are kind of working backwards and finding both of the ingredients that we'll put in. All right. So you might be able to pick up about how the wording is different here. A cleaning solution you're mixing is 3 parts concentrate to 1 part water. You need a total of 6 ounces of solution. So how much, the question is, how much of that is going to be concentrate and how much of it is going to be water? Alright, so we still set up our proportion, but this time we're going to go total to concentrate. So right here in the upper left hand corner, we're used to putting a part number in there, but we're going to put the total number of parts. So there are 4 total parts in this example, and 3 of them are going to be coming from concentrate. And then on the right hand side, just like we used to, we're going to put in the actual measurements on the right hand side. We know that we need a total of 6 ounces. So 6 ounces is going to go up here on the upper right hand side because that's where the total goes. And to solve this, you cross multiply and then divide. So 6 times 3 divided by 4 gives me 4.5. And that would be ounces of concentrate, because that's how we set up our proportion. Okay. To find out how much water goes with it, it's just an easy subtraction. And I'm not going to write it down, I'm just going to talk about it here. If we know that we need a total of 6 ounces, and 4.5 of those are going to come from concentrate, we would just take 6 minus 4.5, and we get 1.5 ounces of water. If you add those together, you should get your total 6 that you needed. Alright, let's do the next example. You need 4 ounces of solution to color the client's hair. 4 total ounces. The color you are mixing is mixed 4 parts peroxide to 1.5 part water. How much peroxide and water, that's how you know these ones are different, because it's asking you for 2 things, do you need to mix for the solution? So we're going to go total, and this time we'll use peroxide. Total number of parts is what goes up on the upper left hand corner. It's 4 parts peroxide to 1.5 part water, so there's a total of 5.5 parts altogether. 4.5 of them are coming from, or not 4.5, 4 are coming from peroxide. And we know that we need a total of 4 ounces. We cross multiply, 4 times 4 divided by 5.5, and that tells us that we need 2.9 ounces of, in this case it's peroxide. Probably spelled it wrong. To find out how much water goes with that, it's just an easy subtraction. So we need a total of 4 ounces of product altogether. We're going to take 4 minus 2.9. So we need 1.1 ounces of water to go with it. All right. I want to do at least one more example here. Down below, you have a little chart. This is about, this is using a Loxy color. So a Loxy is mixed 1 to 1.5. That's will be the mixing ratio on every Loxy product you pick up. So to do our little bit of work here, on the left hand side we put all about the parts, and in this case we're going to do total, and let's do color. It doesn't really matter which one you do, just pick one to use all the time so that you get yourself in a sequence. Total number of parts would be 2.5 parts. One of them is coming from color, because this is color to developer. And we need a total, in this one, we need a total of 2.5 ounces. We cross multiply and divide, and it's going to tell us that we need 1 ounce of color. Oops. So if we need 1 ounce of color, it's a simple subtraction to find the developer, because you take your total of 2.5 minus 1 means that we need 1.5 ounces of developer. All right, I'm going to go ahead and stop there. I hope these few examples will help you answer the questions on the Google quiz about mixing using the total amount. Remember, you know this is different because it'll ask you for 2 different answers. Please do your best to answer the questions on the Google quiz. Make sure you hit submit at the bottom of the page and turn in the upper right hand corner of the Google assignment. If you have any questions, please email me at cjones@ictc.edu. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.